What up, traders? It's your boy. I am Agbo Samuel Ode, a newbie forex trader who is going to make himself proud in the next few years. I'm at Uniport. Yeah, currently I'm going to my department. I'm still a student in the University of Port Harcourt. I'm a Nigerian. Yeah, so I'm going to my department right now. This is December 17th, December 2024, and I'm going to my department. We're on a break right now, so I'm going to my department to analyze my charts, to study, and to see if I can see good entries for trade execution today. So join me, you all. I want you all to be patient with me. This is just my new beginning. This is me proving to myself that what I am today, I can be the best version of myself tomorrow. So see you guys soon. Stay peace, stay blessed, stay committed to making yourself better, and we'll see you at the top. Shout out to everyone out there. Okay, let's go. So yeah, guys, as you can see now, I'm in my department where I'm learning, and this is I'm on my chart right now. So I'm going to show you how my anticipation or what I'm expecting of the currencies I'll be trading or I'll be looking at to take a trade this week or today if the setups are set. So let's get right to it. So this is my chart here. So first pair I'll be looking at is GBP GPY. So if you've been trading GBP GPY for some months now or weeks now, you know that we were making series of lower highs and lower lows. Yeah, after here price failed to create a new lower low, and suddenly we broke this lower high. This is a 4-hour time frame we're using just to get entries to understand the bias of the market, and we go down to lower time frame and execute. So after here price failed to create a new lower low, went up, broke structure, came back, and we saw this aggressive move. This was where we were interested in. So we went lower and probably we caught this move here. Then now what are we expecting? So we know since price has broken structure now to the upside, because this was the last higher high now that price is creating, you know, from lower highs we started making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So this was the origin that broke structure. So now we know where broke structure. So simply what we'll do now, we'll go to 1 hour and see how price is reacting. So we know this was the cost of the break of structure, so we'll be expecting to look for entries here when price comes back down. And let's go back to that 4 hour. Let me show you something quite interesting on that 4 hour time frame. So bear with me, network might be a little crazy, but I wouldn't want to make the video lengthy, so I might probably do this use this as so okay. So if you can see here, you know, we have a demand zone here or a supply zone here. We have a supply zone and price is currently about there, so I'm expecting a drop probably to back to this origin that broke structure, then for price to go back. So let's go back to 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame is showing, giving us that reaction from that point. So that's what we know. Then when we go to the 15 minutes, then we're gonna see something interesting. So however, you know, we know the trend is bullish now, so we don't want to trade against the trend. We always want to trade with the trend. So however, because we don't know how long this sell might start, you know, something might just happen and price just break and continue going up. So we want to be patient and trade our plan. So what we have for GBP JPY is simply we are expecting price to come back to this our origin that broke structure, and we execute trading our plan following proper risk management, and we're good to go. Yep, so that's basically all I have for this pair. And another pair we'll be looking at, I don't know if the time will be much for that, is GBP USD. So GBP USD, we're looking for similar setup. So we are looking for similar setup to buy of GBP USD, but we know this was the origin that broke this structure, so we expect price to come back down tap into the other block and push up. So what else? Let's go to AUD USD. AUD USD is kind of a crazy pair because there are a lot of things happening on JUD and AUD USD. But I called out a trade setup yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday. So probably we're going to have more volatility in the market today. So for AUD USD, you could see has it been ranging across this level here, this trend line, and there's another block situated here that has made price react one react. So what I'm simply expecting is that these levels are where buyers are buying from here, and their stop loss are below here like this. So what I would expect for price to break this level, take out all the stop loss. Then if I see sharp rejection back up, then I'll know that that's the high time to buy this market. So however, all the pairs I'm looking at, you could see I'm looking at buy setup. So without further ado, without any further ado, let's call it to a journey here. So I would want you guys to stay true to my channel and see the process of how I grow. What I'm doing now is what I've told myself, getting better than I am currently now, and I'm building a life that I'll be more better than where I am currently now. I'm trading, I know I'll definitely get there. So stay out, stay positive, stay devoted, stay committed to whatever you're doing. And like I said, I'll see you at the top. Peace out, guys. Peace out. Agbo Samuel here.